Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.
What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, everybody? Back with another video, man. Yeah, we getting it in. It's Saucy Friday, baby. And we got some errands to run for show, We got some errands to run, so we're going to, that's right, baby. It's Saucy Friday. We got some errands to run. We're going to head to my first appointment real quick. Get done up, and then if we have time, if we make the time, we're gonna stop by this new spot. This will be my second time going there, and it is a badass food truck place. Got quite a few food trucks, and I discovered them, and apparently they've been in the whole been in that spot for almost a year and a half, and I've never seen them there. I was like, y'all need better advertising over here to let people know that y'all are, we got a food truck park over here. So we're gonna try to head over there. It feels pretty decent outside today. A little chilly on the chilly side. It was pretty chilly this morning. So weird, man. This weather's been odd, to say the very least. Odd this whole week. Super odd. But I am extremely happy with the progress of the channel. How we're just organically starting to pop, and you know, I can't be more happier. You know, I'm hoping that we'll be able to get some more surge going on. I think it'll happen. I believe it's gonna happen. Just think it needs to continue to be more consistent, still be consistent, and enjoy the process. I was contemplating whether or not I wanted to actually even hop on a bike, because sometimes I like to just get to where the hell I'm supposed to go. Like if I got errands or something, sometimes I just like to get there, get it over with, and then chill. But the problem that I sometimes run into is that when I'm done doing whatever I gotta do and I'm just chilling, like sometimes I just feel like chilling. Like I'm like, damn, I don't even feel like going out. And then I always tell myself, damn, I should have just went out on the bike. Oh, but yeah, man. I love this bike, dude. I love this bike. They're putting up new stuff over there. They got a new gas station over there, which is dope. They put another gas station at the very end at the highway. I don't understand why we need all these gas stations. So now we got 3 gas stations on one street, right? This is crazy. They just finished this gas station, this select stop over there. They finished that one probably about 6-7 months ago, 8 months ago. They just finished, they put another select stop like 200 yards away, 300 yards away, another one. Like, I don't get it. I don't understand that. And then they built like a big shell, like I said, at the end of the where the highway is. I'm like, I don't understand. And then if you keep going down here at the very end, we got a QT up there. It's crazy. On twos today. And we rocking the 210 on the 210 hoodie as well. I love this thing. Got the kiddos out, looking behind me. All praises to the Most High God. That means all praises to the Most High God. His Son, Jesus Christ. Watch over us on this little trip out today. Sounds so upset today. Which was to come out with my solo next. I'm gonna go down one of the side streets because I don't want to roll through the huge freaking speed trap. Here, construction crew out here. So weird. I don't know how they lock the gates during school. That's so weird. Like, what if you need to leave? Like, that's crazy. Shitty road, but this is where it gets better. Beautiful. Except this eyesore over there, and they have a water treatment plant. They need to get rid of that. Yeah. So I was planning briefly to go to Dallas this weekend, but some of the fellas wanted to go. Let me slow my ass down. One of the fellas wanted to go, or a couple of the fellas wanted to go. They were trying to get some ghost racing, and but at the last minute they decided, I guess, they weren't gonna do it. So it was pretty last minute. Got the Popo over there, got the Laws over there, straight ahead. They getting people today, I guess. So, but yeah, man, we had planned. They had made like a little brief plan to go to Dallas. They was gonna do some racing. There's another sheriff and a Ford F-250 over there, or Chevy. Got the other sheriff over there in the SUV. Yeah, they wanted to head up there tonight. Like around like 11 p.m., 12 p.m. Ride up to Dallas is about 4 hours, 4.5 hours for us. About 4 hours at night. So that's like what, 12, 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 something in the morning. And they wanted to basically kind of chill, wait for a little bit till the race spot, meet up at the race spot, get the runs in until the morning time, and then I guess kind of just chill and head back. But I believe the only people they were able to get were like 600, 750 class instead of damn, another sheriff, bro. Oh, that's crazy. 2 sheriffs. It's wild. Yeah. It's pretty open windy over here. We're on Front Street, so I'm definitely not gonna speed because the sheriff is right in front of this car. So yeah. He's up there. Don't do it. I'm just trying to look out for that brother, bro. He about to go stunt in his truck. I'm just trying to look out for the brother. Like, hey, look, got top up there. It ain't that serious. You look like he ready to stunt. Everybody's going slow behind the sheriff because nobody want to get a damn ticket. Don't you dare. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare. what's up. Oh boy, got the perk. You on the purple hoodie? Okay. That's good to know. My wife just said that my refill prescription was out, so I need to tell them when I go in here. Yeah.